Hey there, this is Catherine. I'm going to do a short video today, at least I'm going to try and make it short, on how to purchase the Polygon in your XT account, okay? So right now we're kind of on the main dash area. So we're just going to go up to the top and hover over funds, click on spot. Now, of course, you're going to have to make sure that you have Polygon added to your MetaMask, okay? Otherwise, it does you no good to send coins if it's not, added to your MetaMask yet. All right, so let's get started. So what we're going to do is I've already added funds to my account in USDT, but if you're going to be adding any other deposit, any other coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whichever, whatever it may be, the process is basically going to be the same thing, okay? Whether you're depositing it or we're, purchasing the Polygon coins, okay? So right now, let's pretend that I have not made this deposit and that I've got zero balance here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go all the way to the right. We're going to click on deposit. So, and of course, anybody that's familiar with sending, coins over, it's going to be the same process. I'm just going to show you how that process is going to work in my MetaMask, because MetaMask is where my funds are that I sent it from. So right now we know that it's going to be the USDT Tether network. Okay, I'm going to click the BNB. So this is the address that's going to come up. You're going to copy this address. And so whatever you're using, you're going to send to that address. So, if you're using the exchange, this is the address you're going to be sending the funds to. So I would be using my MetaMask because that's where I have funds right now. So once I open up the MetaMask, I'm already on the BNB smart chain, okay? So all I'm going to do is go down here, click on Tether. I'm going to scroll down a little bit, click Send. Okay, once this page loads, I'm going to paste the address in here. And then I'm just going to add the amount that I want to add right here. Give this some time to populate, and then click continue with all the prompts to go through. Okay, it doesn't take very long. Well, coming from MetaMask, it doesn't. If you're using a different exchange, it might take a little longer. Just double check what you're doing, making sure that you've got all the information properly in there before you click the send button for sure. Like I said, if you're doing it from MetaMask, it doesn't take very long to get there. Then once you're done putting on the information, you're going to go back up to funds, kind of click on spot again. So you can go back to this page. So now let's say that now your deposit is in here, okay? You've deposited USDT. Whenever you make a deposit, that currency is always going to pop up at the top line as it shows right here, okay? So, and then what we're going to do is now we need to buy the Polygon. We're going to go right up here to trade, going to hover, click spot. And over on the left here, just as you can see, as you put your cursor over there, you see this box come up. In the search box, you're going to type in POL. And then you're going to do the POL. Okay, this is the one you want right here. And you're going to do POL/USDT. And now we want to buy, okay? Remember, we have to buy the Polygon. So we're going to click buy. Now, I'm not buying the whole amount. So I only want to do just about, say, let's do about $20. Okay. So let's see. I want to do about, I don't even know how much is this going to give me. So, and make sure, this is really important, make sure it's on market, okay? So, and let's see. Let's go and, see, now it changed my stuff here now. Let's go back, change this again. So you got to pay attention, really good to what you're doing here, okay? So, we're going to do 20 USDT, and we're going to click buy Poly. Confirm. It says success right there. Once it happens, you can go over to funds again and hover. Click on spot again. Give it a moment. Now, we're going to now send it over to MetaMask. Like I said, you need to make sure that you've already added Poly to your MetaMask. And I'm gonna show you right now how that's done. I've already added it, so I can't do it again, but I'm going to show you how that's done. All right. Basically, you're going to go up here to your little Fox, open them up, make sure you're logged in. Okay. And then make sure you're on the right account to do this that you want to work in. Go over here and you're going to click Add Network. And this is going to open up a new page. Now, because I've already added it, it's not going to come up for me. So, but what's going to happen is you're going to see it listed right here. Okay, you're going to see, it's going to say Polygon mainnet. Okay, and all you're going to do is click Add. And then it's going to ask you to confirm. Once you confirm, then it's going to ask you if you want to switch to the network. And I suggest that you want to switch to the network if you're going to be adding funds right away. So we're going to close this one out. So like I said, it's pretty easy. And then of course, oh, hold on, let's actually see. I'm going to show you kind of what it looks like. Just so you know that you're getting the correct one, okay? This is what it's got to look like. So I'm going to go up here and we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to Poly. And this is what it's going to look like, okay? The correct, okay? This is what it's going to look like, all right? And you're going to see it right here with the little like chain link. That's what it looks like. You'll know you have the right one. So get out of here. I'm going to close that down, go back to what we were doing. All right, so now what we're going to do is, now we want to withdraw. Okay, we're going to withdraw the poly. So we're going to go over to the right. We're going to click withdraw. Get time to load. All right, perfect. Now we want to do it on an address, okay, because it's going into our MetaMask. So we're going to come up here and grab our MetaMask address. Okay, make sure, like I said, that you're on the right account when you're doing stuff. We're going to, right here, like I said, we're going to copy the address. So copy. We're going to go over here. We're going to paste the address. And we know that we're in the Poly. So here, so also make sure that you have the right one. It's going to be the Polygon ecosystem token, okay? So make sure that's the one you want to make sure you have, that you've also added to your MetaMask. So we're going to do network. Oops. We're going to do Polygon. And we're going to click all. So, okay, make sure I got everything. Yep. Okay, perfect. Click withdraw. And come down here. And we're going to put a little check mark in the box right here. Click confirm. All right, so now I have to make sure that I've gotten my, get my email code. Click on get code. All right, let me get to my phone. There we go. All right, so 3729, confirm. Get out of here. Go to my authenticator. There we go. And we're going to do, let's see, 9.2. Perfect. All right, cross your fingers and confirm. All right, and you can see right here, it shows that we sent the poly over. Perfect. All right, so you can go back up at the top, go to funds, spot. Okay, and you can see, of course, now it shows that it's 0. So I don't know why it's showing frozen though. That doesn't make any sense. So okay, so let's go up here. Let's check. So I know sometimes, so if that happens, don't freak out, because it will sometimes freeze it for 24 hours. I don't know why it does it, because you're using two different authenticating codes in order to, you know, access your account and do things, which is your email code and the authenticator, right? Yet for some reason, I've noticed that they do want to freeze the funds for 24 hours. So just so you know. So it's not showing up here right now, but give it time. Once that is unfrozen, the funds will go over there and show up without a problem. Let's go back, and this is kind of how we can like double check this. So let's go back to withdrawal. And as you can, if you scroll down here, it says the coin is sending. Let's try to refresh. Sometimes the transfer ID doesn't show right away. So, and of course it's not showing now, but it will. So don't worry about that. But it says it's sending right now. It says the status. So it's just got to give it time. That's all. Okay. So, but that's pretty much easy as it is. We'll go up here. We'll check one more time, see if it's shown up yet. And it has not. But once it does, it'll show there. It won't be a problem. So don't freak out if it says it's pending. Like I said, go back up here to go to spot. It will sometimes freeze it for 24 hours. Once that goes through, if you've already made the exchange, don't worry about it. It'll go through. Okay. But that's pretty much just about it. It already shows that, the available balance is 0. Frozen is 48. Shows what you're going to get in the tokens for what we did for $20. So that's not too bad. But like I said, if you have any questions or anything else, just let me know. Oh wait, did it go through? Look, it disappeared. Okay, so let's go back up here and let's click on our Fox again. Oh, and look at that. What did I tell you? Voila. So yes, like I said, it takes a little time. It didn't freeze it for 24 hours, thank goodness. So, but I'm so glad this showed up because I needed this video to work to show you that it would show up. So, but that's how easy it is. Okay, so don't panic, relax, and there you go. I hope this video helps you to get yourself set up. If it does not, please don't hesitate to ask me. I am more than happy to help anybody to get this done and who's having trouble. So have a great day and we'll talk to you later. Bye now.